Hello and welcome back to The Realm & Co. I'm Rebecca, and on this channel we talk all things style and fashion, things like outfit ideas, style inspiration, vintage, thrifting, upcycling, all that goodness. If that sounds like something you'd like, hit that subscribe button and follow along. Today you are in my office / closet / sewing workspace, and we are going to unbox some vintage. I've gotten some vintage pieces over the past month, which I've been waiting very patiently to unbox with you all. I'm starting to lean into that pre-fall mindset with my clothing and accessories. As you can see, I have some packages here and we are going to unbox them. I'm going to start with the smallest one and then we'll go down to the bigger one. So let's unbox some vintage. So I'm gonna open this one. It's the smallest one. I bought all of these on Etsy. This is a ring. So this is an Avon ring that I ordered from the 70s. I always love buying vintage Avon. My mom used to get Avon a lot when I was younger. So I like Avon from like the, 70s, 80s. Always fun, especially in jewelry. This is a vintage kind of caramel color ring. And it's a smaller size, but it actually fits pretty well. You can see here. I love the color. It's a very neutral color. I got this one for $13 and it's in excellent condition. So very excited about this. I've been trying to add more accessories and jewelry to my collection. This I was eyeing for months and months and months and months. I'm so surprised that it was still available when I purchased. Oh, I love when vintage sellers just add that little bit of extra to the packaging. It's so cute. This is a necklace from the 60s. Oh, choker. Excited. I've been excited for this one. Okay, so it's in this cute little box so it doesn't get damaged. And then this bag. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I got this for, I think it was like $28. Oh, so lovely. Look at that. So it's a vintage choker. Look at I don't know if you can see the clasp. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm in love with it. I love it. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy about this. I'll link the Etsy shops that I got these from. I do like shopping on Etsy a lot for my vintage. You have to look and see if returns are accepted, so always make sure that you do that. But I've also been eyeing this scarf. Y'all know I love a good scarf. I love those colors. Look at that. Wow, my drink was like right in the camera the whole time. Look at that. So stunning. So gorgeous. Just in a cute little bow. Again, I need to be in front of a mirror for this, but I love the colors. I love the blue and the red. This scarf was $24 and vintage from the 80s, but it is stunning. I can't wait to style this up. You all know I love a good scarf. I probably have a million scarves at this point, but I love them. This one was a little pricier, but I saw a little jacket like this at a vintage market and I couldn't get it out of my mind. It is a quilted jacket. I really wanted red, But I saw this one in this light blue and I was thinking, you know, I love this color as well. Plus it's going to transition into fall nicely. So it is this Gunny Sacks, or Jessica's Gunnies brand, which you'll know Gunny Sacks are like insane, but this was fairly inexpensive. But I think the Jessica's Gunnies are probably on their lower side. The vintage clothes is always really challenging. You have to look for measurements to see if the measurements are, you know, aligned with your measurements, but I still feel, even though you're measuring them, it's always a gamble. So this one is, or I should just show you right here. This looks so great. I know the kind of bohemian style is trending right now for fall, but I really loved this. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do with the puffy sleeves. Here's the tag. Here's a close-up of the print. There's a polka dot with a floral, a ditzy floral here. It's so good. It's in really good condition. I love it. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this. I'm excited. This is exactly what I was looking for. Even though it's not red, I still love the blue. Blue is one of my other colors that I'm obsessed with. It has pockets. So cute. I don't have anything from the Gunny Sacks brand, mostly because it's crazy expensive and a lot of times it's in very small sizes. Oh my gosh, I can't stop looking at it. I can't stop looking at it. It's so gorgeous. I'm so excited, but it is a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. I'll try it on. We'll see. We'll do it live. Oh, I'm hoping it's not too tight. Oh, it's a little tight, maybe a little short here, but that's okay. I can have sleeves popping. But I don't know, in the viewfinder it looks great, but let me go take a look in the mirror. Yes, I love this. Again, a little tight, which is interesting because it said it was for a small medium, and I am, maybe I'm a small medium, but I'm definitely more on the smaller side than the medium. But yes, I love this. This is so great. This is going to be perfect for my fall wardrobe. Are you ready for the last one? I'm saving the one I'm most excited about for last. This was actually the first one, so I've been like waiting for this one, which I can't even tell you. It's been a while, but I'm so excited for this. It was $23, which was oh, the jacket was $50. Again, it was on the pricey side, but considering the brand, I think that was a fairly good price. Okay, so now this one they repackaged with an Amazon box, which, I mean, I guess, you know, reuse is good. I always like when people sell vintage and they make the package opening presentation an experience as well. I'm always a fan of that, but this person didn't look like they did that. That's okay. Okay, lots of paper, so I'm very happy that they did this. Ooh, I think it's bigger than I thought, or maybe not. Okay, so here is the bag. Thank you. I love it. There's a cute little thank you here. Again, such a cute extra detail. It is wrapped up. I'm so excited for this. Come on. Oh my gosh. Is this not just stunning? Look at this bag. Oh my gosh. This is, again, perfect for summer, but transitioning to fall, it will work as well. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at this. Look at the clasp. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. It looks, on the outside, it looks like it's really good condition. Let's check out the inside. Also good condition and doesn't stay open, but that's okay. The inside, just very simple. I can't even. This is just gorgeous. It was $23. How could I like pass this up? So it was on my wish list for my favorites on Etsy for a long time, and I kept watching it. And I'm like, it's like too good to pass up. This is so gorgeous. The condition is great. They said it was from the 60s. I mean, you know, most vintage things, there's like things that are just, it's worn. The leather feels a bit stiff here, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is amazing. I love this. I have the best vintage handbag collection, and it's tiny, but I love it. Maybe I'll do a video on my vintage bags, but this is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this. So don't be surprised if you see me wearing this a lot. I'm so excited for this. I don't want to stop looking at it. Thank you so much for unboxing these incredible vintage pieces with me. I cannot wait to style them and wear them. I'm just over the moon excited. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite piece, or if you have any questions about purchasing vintage online. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate your support. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at therealm.co. And until next time, wear what you love.